My wife had $20,000 of credit card debt. Wells Fargo, Chase, Discover, Bank of America, Citibank, she had them all. And if we're being completely honest, she did exactly what these institutions want you to do. Spiral out of control, run up the card, gain a lot of interest, and max out. Today, I'm sharing the steps we took to get out of this hole. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? In a previous video, I mentioned how my wife brought $20,000 of credit card debt into our marriage. And today, I'm gonna give you the exact steps we took to clear this up. Let's get right into it. Step number 1, research and gather information. The very first thing you have to do is research and gather as much information as possible on the debt. The current status, who owns it, has it moved to collection? Can you make a monthly payment on it? Do they want all or nothing? Is there an option to settle and they show it as fully paid? This will require you to check the status online and or call and talk to a rep. I highly recommend talking to a live person. Sometimes they'll give you options that's not online, and sometimes they won't. But you have to try all avenues. We sat down and called all 5 of my wife's credit card companies and laid out the options so we could decide how to move forward. Unfortunately, 4 of the 5 accounts were in collection. There was no wiggle room, no settlement clearing option. They did not want a monthly payment, piece of a payment, part of a payment. They wanted the entire thing. This led us to our method of payoff: balance transfers. All of this happened in the first year of our marriage, so we were young and didn't have $20,000 just sitting in our bank account, which left us with a few options of how to handle this debt. The option we decided to go with was balance transfers. I had a great line of credit and a huge available balance unused. So I transferred my wife's $20,000 credit card debt to my account, which had 0 interest for 18 months. This allowed us to tackle the debt at our own rate for the next 18 months and fully knock it out. Which takes me right into my last point of credit repair. Now, I know people stress the importance of your credit score and making sure to keep it high, but honestly, when you have things in collections or a large amount of debt, your first goal is to remove that debt. Then we can worry about your credit score. By me doing the balance transfer, this removed a $20,000 hit from my wife's line of credit. Now the institutions will report their accounts as fully paid to the credit bureaus, and this will at least start the process of getting better over the next few months/year. When you get reported to the bureau for a missed payment, this shows as a hard hit and can stay on your report for 7 years. You can check out this video, and I go over 5 things that we did and a few things as her spouse, how I was able to use my credit score to boost hers. As of today, her credit score is over 750 and she has reestablished great status with the credit card companies. Please be careful with credit cards. They are powerful tools to help and can hurt you if not used properly. If you haven't already, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.